Hi, all you busy women lawyers. I'm Diana Maier, and I want to tell you about a course that's designed just for women lawyers that are feeling unfulfilled right now. And it may be that you're feeling unfulfilled because you wonder if it's possible to be happy in the law as a woman, or it may be that you love your law job, but you just can't find the time you need for your personal life or anything else that's making you feel like you're not living your best life. Elizabeth Bohannon and I have designed a course. It's going to be a quick and dirty 6 week long course. We meet once a week. And during that course time, you'll be surrounded by other women lawyers that will build you up and serve as your tribe, not only during the 6 weeks, but after as well. And together we'll carve a path toward you living your best life and take you there one step at a time. We have some webinars that will tell you more about the course. I want to say that the course is going to be completely inclusive. No one will be turned away for lack of funds. So if this intrigues you at all, come take a look. The webinars are going to be the second week in September, and maybe we'll throw a third one in as well. And we are going to be meeting in the beginning of October through the middle of November. If you want to sign up for the webinars that will show you a little more about the course, you can do that in the link that comes with this video, or go to joyinthelaw.com, and then in the upper right-hand corner, Finding Joy. And we'd love to have you. It'll be an awesome group of women where you'll feel you're supported along an easeful journey towards living your best life yet. We'd love to have you. We hope to see you